Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. So earlier this morning we talked about Verizon's earnings. Well, at&T also had their earnings yesterday, and I was also able to tune into their Q&A, so I wanted to share that news with you guys. And also make sure that you stay tuned to the end of the video because I have some brand new Band 14 news. So at&T's earnings call was a bit mixed. They tried to stay very positive, but there was also some negative. So at&T's postpaid phone subscriber base declined by 120,000 customers in Q2. So they lost that many customers and they only added 46,000 people. So a lot of people are migrating away from at&T and they're going to Verizon, T-Mobile, and some are going to Sprint. So that's that side of the business model at&T is not doing very well in, and they may have to change their strategy, maybe even bring their pricing closer to T-Mobile, maybe even a little lower to try to gain growth again in on the mobile side. Now, one thing that I gotta say, their prepaid segment of the business is rolling. They added 453,000 ads. That is the best number since fourth quarter 2016. As you saw in the Verizon video, they lost a lot of customers. So at&T is rolling with Cricket and their at&T prepaid brand. Also, at&T's postpaid device upgrade rate dropped to a new historical low of 3.8 from 4.1% last year. So at&T customers are not upgrading to newer devices as frequently as they used to. And then also I was able to confirm this. at&T expects to have Band 14 lit up on between 12 to 15,000 sites this year. Remember, they're also lighting up other commercial spectrum, including AWS, when they touch those towers. So all of their other licensed spectrum will go on these sites to bring more capacity, such as Band 30, Band 2, Band 4. They will all be accompanied by Band 14. So the earnings, I didn't really want to touch on the TV side of things because this channel is mostly about wireless. So at&T really has to step it up on the mobile side. They really have to compete. Their pricing is very high and they really can't claim the premium network as Verizon. But once at&T rolls out the other coverage, the 1,000 new sites plus the Band 14, I think then they can also really compete with the network side and also claim that premium type network. So on to the next news. Now I'm going to show you a speed test, and this is a Band 14 speed test. Now, as most of you know, Band 14 maxes out at 10 megahertz, and that theoretical speed maxes out at 75 megabits per second. So now you're wondering, whoa, 96 megabits on Band 14 only? Well, at&T just turned on 256 QAM with 64 QAM on the Band 14 sites. As you can see, this is a Band 14 only site. So you can start expecting to see faster speeds on Band 14 with this technology turned on. Of course, you have to be within a decent range of the tower and have a clean signal for this to be able to work. So this is just some news that I wanted to share with you guys. This has been turned on a few other sites. I want to say they flipped the switch on every site that Band 14 is on. So be on the lookout for this in your area. So definitely leave all your comments in the comment section down below. I just wanted to touch base with you guys to bring this news to you. And also keep in mind that right now, the only phone that can take advantage of Band 14 is the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload content. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. This is Tyrone with Tech Life, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.